Hello friends, today we will show the effect of Porsche Macan after installing the Andrio decoder. First, connect to Bluetooth. Music or video is transmitted through Bluetooth and play from the original car audio. You can play local music or video by clicking the media button. Support Bluetooth function. You can also connect to the mobile phone Bluetooth, make a phone call, or play the Bluetooth music. Support 4G or Wi-Fi. When you are connected to the internet, you can download apps from Google Play Store. You can play YouTube online music, watch YouTube HD videos, and use online maps for navigation. Support Google Voice Control. Insert SD card to store more information, which can be viewed through file management. Enter the settings. You can switch the navigation software, the original car time and language. Multiple languages are available for selection. You can set reversing, Wi-Fi network, and system information. Here, you can select different sound styles. Support split screen function. You can use two functions at the same time. When you browse the map, you can listen to music or watch video at the same time. Long press the Net button to switch to Google Map or Eagle Map to realize GPS navigation and tell you where you want to go. Support wireless CarPlay function. Use iPhone to connect CarPlay function, then turn to the Andrio CarPlay function or turn to car application Android system. Friends, I sincerely hope and believe that this Android navigation system will bring you a pleasant driving experience. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.